हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हो? आई होप आप मेरे वीडियोस को लाइक कर रहे हैं। आज का वीडियो भी आप मेरा लाइक कीजिएगा, सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिएगा। Today we will do exercise 3.6. This exercise is based on equations reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables. Now what is the meaning of these type of questions? Let us start our question number 1, first part. Here you are given two equations, 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 3y equals to 2. This is first equation. Second is 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 2y equals to 13 upon 6. We need to solve these two equations, means we have to find the values of x and y. Now these type of questions, what you notice here, the x and y variable, they are present in the denominator. Here also they are present in the denominator. What is your general form of linear equation? X and y variable, they are present in the numerator. General form is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So what our purpose is here, we will change this equation into standard form. Standard form means x and y present in the numerator. General form, ax plus by plus c equals to 0. This is the general form of your linear equation. So uske liye children, what you have to do, we have to follow certain steps. Before solving these equations, we can't solve it directly. We have to first reduce it. Reduce it means you will have to convert it into standard form. So what is your first step? आप जो भी इक्वेशन आप देख रहे हैं दोनों, इसको आई कैन राइट इट एज 1/2x को आई कैन राइट एज 1/2 इंटू 1/x, 1/3y आई कैन राइट एज 1/3 इंटू 1/y, 2 equals to 2 equals to 2. Similarly, in the second equation, 1/3x को I can write as 1/3 into 1/x. Similarly, 1/2y I can write as 1/2 into 1/y equals to 13/6. Now, these two equations, now I have written it in this form. What next step is, children? 1/x and 1/y, you will substitute them as some other variable. So 1/x को I am putting as p and 1/y I am putting it as q. P and q are another variables, right? So what I will do now, in these two equations, I will substitute 1/x equals to p. So keep on substituting wherever you have 1/x, p, 1/y, q, 1/x, p, 1/y, q. So these are your new equations. What next, children? अब 1 into p को I can write as p upon 2 as it is. 1 into q upon 3 equals to 2. Similarly, this will become p upon 3, this will become q upon 2 equals to 13/6. So आपके जो शुरू के जो दो equations थे, now they are in terms of p and q, which I have labeled as equation number 1 and equation number 2. अब what do you see here? Look at the denominators. 2, 3. Here I can write as 2/1. Here 3, 2, 6. I want to get rid of these denominators. As I have told you in my earlier lectures also, if I want to get rid of the denominator, what I have to do, I have to multiply each and every term by the LCM of that denominators. Here 2, 3, here 2, 3, 6. So what is the LCM of 2 and 3? It is 6. What is the LCM of 2, 3, 6? It is again 6. So what I will do, I will multiply both the equations by 6 because LCM of denominator is 6. So multiply this equation each and every term by 6. So this becomes 6p upon 2, this becomes 6q upon 3, and this becomes 2 into 6. Similarly, come to the second equation, 6p upon 3 plus 6q upon 2, 13/6 into 6. So these two equations now becomes this type. Now what next, children? I can cancel this. This will become 2 3s are. This will become 3 2s are. This will cancel with 3. This will cancel with 2. So, and this also 6 cancels with 6. So what remains now? 3p plus 2q equals to 12. Here you will write 2p plus 3q equals to 13. So what will your equation become now? Next step में 3p plus 2q equals to 12. Now come to this step. After cancelling out, what are you going to obtain, children? 3p plus 2q equals to 12. This I label as equation 3. Similarly, जो आपका equation 2 था, 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करके this cancels with, इसको कैंसिल कर दीजिए, 3 2s are 6, ये 3 हो गया, 6 gets cancelled. So what you are left with? 2p 3q equals to 13. This is your equation number 4. Now look at these two equations now, 3 and 4. These are two linear equations with variables p and q. Variables p and q. So again come to the very first class of linear equation in two variables. These are the two equations in place of x and y. Now the variables are p and q. So what method we can use? The same method we will use as we were solving the linear equations in two variables, either by substitution method or elimination method or by cross multiplication method. So in this case I am doing this question by making with the help of elimination method. So what I have taught you about the elimination method, look at these two equations, linear equations in variables p and q. I will make the coefficient of p equal. Here what you notice, in equation number 3 the coefficient of p is 3. In equation 4 coefficient of p is 2. So what I will do, I will multiply equation number 3 by 2, so that 2 into 3 it becomes 6. Similarly equation number 4 I will multiply with 3, so that 3 into 2 again becomes 6. So what I am doing, I am trying to make the coefficient of p equal. So multiply equation 3 by 2 and equation 4 by 3. So multiply each and every term by 2. So 2 into 3p 6p, 2 into 2q 4q, 2 into 12 24. So equation number 3 I label as 3 dash. Now come to equation number 4, multiply it by 3. 3 into 2p 6p, 3 into 3q 9q, 3 into 13 39, and label it as 4 dash. Now these are your new equations. Now what you notice, the coefficient of p has become equal 6 6 and their signs are same. So subtract 3 dash from 4 dash. So 4 dash I will write in the starting, 3p plus 9q equals to 39, and below it write down 3 dash equation, put the subtraction sign. And as I have explained you earlier also, when we do the subtraction, the second equation ka all the terms change their sign. Plus will become minus. This plus, write down minus below it. Here it is plus, write down minus below it. Now do the subtraction. 39 minus 24 gives you 15 equals to 9q minus 4q 5q. 6p minus 6p 0. So 5q equals to 15. Therefore q equals to 15 upon 5, which gives you 3. So this is the value of q. What next, children? I will get the value of p. So in which equation I can substitute? I can substitute this value of q either in equation 3 or in 4. So I am putting this q in equation number 3. So pick up this equation, 3p plus 2q, q का value आप 3 put कर दीजिए, equals to 12. Now solve this for p, right? 3p, 6 को इधर ले आइए, 6. So p will give you 6 upon 3 equals to 2. So p का value 2 and q is equals to 3. What next I have to do now, children? जो आपका हमने substitution किया था, बिल्कुल यहाँ पे देखिए beginning में, we have substituted 1 upon x equals to p and 1 upon y equals to q. This was your a. So what I will do now, p on q का value जो हमने find out कर रहा है, इसमें हम substitute करेंगे. So what will be your next step? Put p and q in a. Now what was your a? 1 upon x equals to p था आपका वहाँ पे, तो 1 upon x, p का value 2 है, so I will write 1 upon x equals to 2, cross multiply 2x equals to 1. So x equals to, bring this q 2 in the denominator, x equals to half. Similarly 1 upon y equals to q था आपका a वाले लेवल में, और आपने q का वैल्यू कितना फाइंड करा है चिल्ड्रन? 3. So 1 upon y equals to 3. Just cross multiply like this, 3y equals to 1. So y becomes 1 upon 3. So these are the two answers for x equals to 1 upon 2 and y is equal to 1 upon 3. So this is how we have solved this equation, which is reducible to linear form. Right, children? Now look at the second part. Equation number 1 is 1 upon root x plus 3 upon root y equals to 2. Second equation is 4 upon root x minus 9 upon root y equals to minus 1. Here again what you notice, children, the x and y terms, they are appearing in the denominator. Also they are in the under root sign. Again I will have to change it into which form? Standard form. Ax plus by plus c equals to 0 form. Means I will reduce these two equations into the लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स का स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. Now what do you notice here? Again 2 upon root x can be written as 2 into 1 upon root x plus 3 upon root y can be written as 3 into 1 upon root y 2. Similarly in the second equation 4 upon root x को I can write as 4 into 1 upon root x minus 9 upon root y I can write as 9 into 1 upon root y minus 1, right? What next I will do now? Do the substitution of p and q. So in place of 1 upon root, put 1 upon root x equals to p, 1 upon root y equals to q. This is your a, right? Now keep on substituting. This will become 2 into p, substituted from here, 3 into 1 upon root y, 1 upon root y substituted as q, so it becomes 3 into q equals to 2. Similarly second equation में देखिए 4 into 1 upon root x becomes 4 into p, 1 upon root y is q, so this becomes 9 into q equals to minus 1. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. Now what you notice here children, these two equations now we have reduced into standard form. So these two equations which were not in the standard form has been reduced into this standard form. That is why this method is called as equations reducible to लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल. अब आप देखिए यहाँ पर जो पी एंड क्यू है, दीज आर सेम यू कैन कंसिडर दैम एज द वेरिएबल एक्स एंड वाई. सो इन प्लेस ऑफ एक्स एंड वाई व्हाट आर योर वेरिएबल्स नाउ? पी एंड क्यू. So we will solve it the same way as we have been doing for rest whatever questions we have done till now. Now these two equations I will solve by elimination method. So look at the coefficient of p. In this the coefficient of p is 2, here the coefficient of p is 4. So what I can do to make the coefficient same, multiply equation number 1 by 2. So into 2 here, और इसको मेरे को 4 ही चाहिए तो I will multiply it by 1. So multiply each and every term by 2. This equation number 1 will become 2 into 2p 4p plus 2 into 3q 6q equals to 2 into 2 4. Similarly this is getting multiplied by 1, so it will remain as it is. So these two equations now I label them as 3 and 4. Now you see the coefficient of p has become equal. What next children? I can subtract equation 4 from equation 3, or you can subtract equation 3 from equation 4 also. So I am subtracting 4 from 3. So equation 4 आप लिख देंगे next step में, and below it you will write down equation 3. So what you will obtain children? These are the two equations which I have to subtract. Now again for subtraction what I have told you, just reverse the sign of the second equation. Minus, write down plus below it. This is minus, write down plus below it. This is plus, write down minus below it. Now consider these new signs. 4 plus 1 gives you 5 equals to 6q plus 9q gives you 15q. 4p minus 4p, this becomes 0. So you are left with 15q equals to 5. So q will become 5 upon 15, which gives you 1 upon 3. So this is your answer for q. Now put q in equation number 3. इक्वेशन नंबर 3 क्या था आपका चिल्ड्रन? 4p प्लस 6q. तो q के प्लेस में you will substitute 1 upon 3 equals to 4. This gets cancelled. So what you are left with? 4p plus 2 equals to 4. Bring this 2 on the other side. 4p equals to 2. So p का आंसर क्या मिल गया? 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 p हो गया और q is 1 upon 3. What next children? Put these values of p and q in a. What was your a? 1 upon root x equal to p. 1 upon root y equals to q. अब इसको आप स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड्स कर दीजिए, बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू गेट रिड ऑफ दिस अंडर रूट साइन. स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड करेंगे तो दिस विल बिकम 1 अपॉन एक्स एंड दिस इज पी स्क्वायर. नाउ पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ पी. व्हाट इज योर पी? 1 अपॉन 2. सो पी स्क्वायर विल बिकम 1 अपॉन 2 का स्क्वायर 1 अपॉन 4. सो यू गेट 1 अपॉन एक्स इक्वल्स टू 1 अपॉन 4 क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाइड. सो एक्स इक्वल्स टू 4. दिस इज द आंसर फॉर एक्स. नाउ कम टू द वाई वैल्यू. 1 अपॉन रूट वाई इक्वल्स टू क्यू. I want to get rid of this root sign, so I will square both sides. Squaring both sides से क्या मिलेगा चिल्ड्रन? 1 upon root y का होल स्क्वायर क्या हो जाएगा? 1 upon y, और ये हो गया q स्क्वायर. Now substitute the value of q. What was your q? 1 upon 3. So q square means 1 upon 3 का होल स्क्वायर, which will give you 1 upon 9. Again cross multiply y equals to 9. So x equal to 4 and y equals to 9 gives your answer. Right children? I hope you have followed it. Now let us come to the third part. Third part mein again you see the variables x and y. Only the x variable is in the denominator, y variable is in the numerator, but still it is not in the standard form. Standard form mein x and y variable has to appear in the numerator. So again what I will do, first equation mein I can write 4 upon x as 4 into 1 upon x plus 3y 14. 3 upon x को I can write as 3 into 1 upon x minus 4y सेम एज इट इज़, राइट. अब आपने क्या करना है नेक्स्ट चिल्ड्रन, जो 1 अपॉन एक्स है, एक्स इज इन द डिनोमिनेटर, सो आई विल सब्सटीट्यूट 1 अपॉन एक्स एज पी, और यहाँ पर y ऑलरेडी न्यूमरेटर में है, सो देर इज नो नीड टू डू एनी सब्सटीट्यूशन है, y को वी कीप इट एज y ओनली. सो पुट 1 अपॉन एक्स इक्वल्स टू p. सो व्हाट यू विल गेट हेयर 4 इंटू p प्लस 3y इक्वल्स टू 14. दिस इज योर इक्वेशन 1. नाउ कम टू दिस वन, 3 इंटू 1 अपॉन एक्स विल बिकम 3 इंटू p. 1 अपॉन एक्स की जगह आपने p सब्सटीट्यूट कर दिया. दिस इज माइनस 4y equals to 23. This is equation 2. Now what you notice, these two equations are pair of linear equation in two variables. What are your two variables here? The two variables are p and y. P and y. Now I will solve these two equations for p and y. Again I am doing it by elimination method. Now here I am making the coefficient of p equal. What do you see? The coefficient of p in the first equation is 4, in the second equation it is 3. So multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 4. So multiply all the terms. What you will get? 3 into 4p becomes 12p, 3 into 3y becomes 9y, 3 into 14 becomes 42. Similarly in the second equation, 4 into 3p 12p minus 4 into 4y 16y, 4 into 23 92. So these are your new equations in which we notice the coefficient of p has become equal and they are of same sign. When the p terms are of the same sign, you have to do subtraction. So subtract 3 from equation 4. आप equation 4 minus equation 3 भी कर सकते हो, राइट. सो आप इसको लिख दीजिए, इक्वेशन 4 को पहले लिख देंगे स्टार्टिंग में और इसके बिलो यू राइट डाउन इक्वेशन नंबर 3. अगेन सब्ट्रैक्शन साइन, चेंज द साइन ऑफ ऑल द टर्म्स ऑफ द सेकेंड इक्वेशन, plus write down minus below it. This is plus, write down minus below it. This is plus, write down minus below it. Now consider the new signs. 92 minus 42 gives you 50 equals to minus 16y minus 9y gives you minus 25y. 12p minus 12p will give you 0. तो ये तो चला गया. So you are left with minus 25y equals to 50. So y equals to 50 upon minus 25 which gives you minus 2. So this is your answer for y. तो आपको y का आंसर मिल गया. नाउ आई नीड टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ p. अब आप किस में इसको सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे? पुट y इन इक्वेशन नंबर 1. इक्वेशन नंबर 1 इज दिस वन. In this equation I will substitute y equals to minus 2 so that I will get the value of p. So 4p plus 3y equals to 14. Put y in 1. 4p plus 3y equals to 14. इसको ठीक है, दिखाई दे रहा. So 4p plus 3y equals to 14 में put the value of y which is minus 2. So substitute y equals to minus 2. So you will get 4p. This will become minus 6, 14. Bring this 6 on the right side. 4p 20. So p becomes equals to 5. Now I have to find the value of x. Put p in a. What was your a? 1 upon x equal to p. So p के place में you will substitute 5. तो 1 upon x equals to 5. Cross multiply. 5x equals to 1. So x becomes 1 upon 5. So this is the value of x. And y we have already calculated out. So what is your answer now? X equals to 1 upon 5 and y equals to minus 2. So these are your two values of variable x and variable y. Right children? So this was your third part. Now let us come to the fourth part. Fourth part में again you see the variables x and y are in the denominator. Fourth part is 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 equals to 2. Second equation is 6 upon x minus 1 minus 3 upon y minus 2 equals to 1. Now again, how can I write this equation? I can write it this way also. 5 into 1 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon 1 into 1 upon x minus y minus 2 equals to 2. Second equation को I can write this way also, 6 into 1 upon x minus 1 minus 3 into 1 upon y minus 2 equals to 1. Now again in the denominators x and y are appearing. So what type of substitution I will do? ये पूरा आप देखिए, 1 upon x minus 1 को I will substitute as p, 1 upon y minus 2 को I will substitute as q, because ये आपके दोनों इक्वेशंस में अपीयर हो रहे हैं. So what will this equation become? 5 and this is p. So 5p, 1 into q, q is 1 upon y minus 2 equals to 2. Similarly in this equation 6 into this is p, so 6p minus 3 into what is this? This is q, so 3q equals to 1. So this is your equation 1 and this is your equation 2. Now what you notice here children, ये जो आपके दो equations questions में दे रखे थे वो अब आपने standard form में change कर लिए. P and Q are the variables here. P and Q are the variables here. So these equation 1 and equation 2, they are representing pair of linear equation in two variables P and Q. So we will solve these two equations for P and Q. So which method I am doing here? By elimination method again. I will do this question by making the coefficient of Q equal. In the first equation the coefficient of Q is 1. Second equation में the coefficient of Q is 3. Ignore the minus sign. So what I will do to make the coefficient same, equation number 1 को I will multiply by 3 and equation number 2 I will multiply by 1. So if I multiply by 3, what will this become? 3 into 5p, 15p, plus 3 into q, 3q, 3 into 2, 6. This equation will remain same because it is getting multiplied by 1. So write it this way. So these give the name as 3 and 4. Now what you notice here, see the coefficient of q. They are plus 3 here and minus 3 here. So when the signs are opposite, you have to do addition. So I will add equation 3 and 4. Write down equation 3, write down equation 4, put a plus sign and simply add them. 6 plus 1, 7. 3q minus 3q, 0. 15p plus 6p gives you 21p. So p becomes 7 upon 21 or p is 1 upon 3. Put this value of p in equation number 2. आप इसको इक्वेशन 1 में भी पुट कर सकते हो. मैंने इक्वेशन 2 में पुट करा है. सो इक्वेशन 2 में पुट करके p का वैल्यू 1/3 आप लगा दीजिए. 6p मीन 6 into 1/3 minus 3q इक्वल्स टू 1. जस्ट सॉल्व इट फॉर q. ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा चिल्ड्रन. 3 से कैंसिल हो गया तो दिस विल बिकम 2 minus 3q इक्वल्स टू 1. Bring this 3q on the right side, 1 on the left side. So 1 equals to 3q. q is 1/3. So आपको p and q के वैल्यूज़ मिल गए. What next now you have to do children? ये जो आपको p and q के वैल्यूज़ मिले आप इसको a में सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे. Means 1 upon x minus 1 equals to 1/3 और 1 upon y minus 2 equals to 1/3. So what will be your next step? Put these values of p and q in a. इन दो equations में आप p and q की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे. So how will you write down this? You will write down, put the values of p and q in a. आपका जो एक्सप्रेशन a है उसमें आपके पास दो एक्सप्रेशंस हैं. पहला एक्सप्रेशन है 1/x minus 1 equals to p. तो p का वैल्यू हमने 1/3 फाइंड आउट करा है. सब्सटीट्यूट 1/3 है. अब आपको सॉल्व कर लीजिए फॉर x. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई x minus 1 into 1, x minus 1, 3 into 1, 3. Bring this 1 on the other side, so x equals to 4. And similarly 1 upon y minus 2 equals to q था आपके पास. तो 1 upon y minus 2, 1/3 हमने q का वैल्यू 1/3 फाइंड आउट किया था. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई y minus 2 equals to 3. So y will become, bring this 2 on the other side, 5. So these are the two answers. X is 4 and y equals to 5. This is how we have solved this reducible form. Now अब हम जल्दी से क्वेश्चन फिफ्थ पार्ट भी कर लेते हैं. फिफ्थ पार्ट में आप देखिए 7x minus 2y upon xy equals to 5. Second equation is 8x plus 7y upon xy equals to 15. Now what do you notice here? X and y variable are appearing in the denominator also. They are in the numerator also. Denominator also, numerator also. But what you notice, the numerator में जो है it is in two terms, 7x and 2y. This is actually one term, x into y. This is one term. This is one term, x into y. Similarly 8x is one term, 7x is second term. So इन टाइप के क्वेश्चन हम क्या करते हैं चिल्ड्रन? वी विल ट्राई टू सेपरेट दैम. ये जो दो टर्म्स हैं इनको हम सेपरेट कर लेंगे. जब हम सेपरेट करेंगे तो डिनोमिनेटर विल कम विद ईच एंड एवरी टर्म. Similarly when I separate these two terms, denominator will come with the two terms. So what I will do now, ये जो पहला इक्वेशन है आपका, इसको आप राइट डाउन लाइक दिस, 7x अपॉन एक्स वाई माइनस माइनस 2y अपॉन एक्स वाई इक्वल्स टू 5. सिमिलरली सेकेंड इक्वेशन में 8x अपॉन एक्स वाई प्लस प्लस 7y अपॉन एक्स वाई इक्वल्स टू 15. राइट, ये हमने कर लिया सेपरेट. आफ्टर सेपरेटिंग व्हाट यू नोटिस, यू कैन कैंसल दिस x विद दिस x, this y with this y, this x cancels with this x, this y with this y. So what remains in this first equation? 7 upon y, 2 upon x equals to 5. What is here? 8 upon y, 7 upon x, 7 upon x, 15 equals to 15. तो आपके जो दो इक्वेशंस थे अब इस तरह से बन गए. राइट चिल्ड्रन, अब आप वही मेथड फॉलो कीजिए जो मैंने आपको पिछले 2-3 क्वेश्चंस में सिखाया. 7 अपॉन वाई को हाउ कैन आई राइट एज 7 इंटू 1 अपॉन वाई. 2 अपॉन एक्स को 2 इंटू 1 अपॉन एक्स. सिमिलरली अब आ जाइए नेक्स्ट स्टेप पे. हाँ, अब आप देखिए 7 इंटू एक्स, 7 अपॉन वाई को आई कैन राइट 7 इंटू 1 अपॉन वाई माइनस 2 इंटू 1 अपॉन एक्स इक्वल्स टू 5. सेकेंड इक्वेशन वॉज 8 upon y I can write as 8 into 1 upon y plus 7 upon x को I can write as 7 upon 1 upon x equals to 15. अब आपको क्या सब्स्टिट्यूशन करना है चिल्ड्रन? 1 upon y और 1 upon x का सब्स्टिट्यूशन करेंगे. 1 upon y को I put as p and 1 upon x को I put as q. So substitute in this equation. 7 1 upon y will become 7p. This will become 7q equals to 5. सेकेंड इक्वेशन में 8 इंटू 1 अपॉन वाई विल बिकम 8 इंटू पी. यहाँ से पुट कीजिए, 1 अपॉन एक्स की जगह क्यू पुट कीजिए. तो आपके इक्वेशन 1 और इक्वेशन 2 इस तरह से मिल गए. व्हाट यू नोटिस है नाउ चिल्ड्रन, जो आपका क्वेश्चन था जहाँ पर एक्स एंड वाई डिनोमिनेटर पे भी थे, न्यूमरेटर में भी थे, नाउ इट हैज़ बीन रिड्यूस टू द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म in the variables p and q. P and q are the variables here. So these are the a pair of linear equations in two variables p and q. Now I can solve them by any of the three methods. So I am solving it by elimination method by making the coefficient of q equal. So उसके लिए आप क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पर आप देखिए coefficient of q is 2, here the coefficient q is 7. So interchange करके multiply कर दीजिए. Multiply equation 1 by 7 and multiply equation 2 by 2. So if I multiply, each and every term will get multiplied by 7. So what will this become? 7 into 7p, 49p, minus minus 7 into 2q, 14q, 7 into 5, 35. Come to the second equation, 2 into 8, 16p, 2 into 7q, 14q, 2 into 15, 30. This is your equation 4. Now what do you notice? The coefficient of q, they have become equal. 14 14. Signs are opposite, here minus and here it is plus. So when the signs are opposite, what you have to do, I have taught you, add. We have to add the two equations. So add equation 3 and 4. So write down equation 3, equation 4, put a plus sign, simply add them. 35 plus 30, 65, minus 14q plus 14q, cancel हो गया, 0 हो गया. 49p plus 16p, 65p. So p will be how much? 65 upon 65, which gives you p equals to 1. So p का वैल्यू आपके पास कितना आ गया चिल्ड्रन? 1. नाउ आई हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ q. सो आई विल सब्स्टिट्यूट p इक्वल्स टू 1 इन इक्वेशन नंबर 1. व्हाट इज योर इक्वेशन नंबर 1? इस इक्वेशन में आप पुट कर सकते हैं p का वैल्यू. आई कैन पुट इन सेकेंड इक्वेशन ऑल्सो, बट आई एम शोइंग इट बाय पुटिंग इन 1. सो पुट p इक्वल्स टू 1 इन दिस इक्वेशन. सो आप नेक्स्ट स्टेप पे आ जाइए. सो पुट p इक्वल्स टू 1 इन इक्वेशन नंबर 1. Put p equals to 1 in equation number 1. So 7p minus 2q equals to 5. ये आपका इक्वेशन नंबर 1 था. आप p की जगह आप इसमें 1 पुट कर दीजिए. तो 7 इंटू 1 माइनस 2q इक्वल्स टू 5. सो 7 माइनस 2q इक्वल्स टू 5. 2q को ब्रिंग ऑन द RHS, 5 को आप लेफ्ट साइड में ले आइए. सो 2 इक्वल्स टू 2q, नीचे आ गया 2, तो q इक्वल्स टू 1. तो q का वैल्यू मिल गया. नाउ व्हाट नेक्स्ट? पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ p एंड q इन a. What was your a? 1 upon y equals to p and 1 upon x equals to q. 1 upon y equals to p. Put the value of p. p का वैल्यू हमने 1 फाइंड किया था, तो 1 upon y equals to 1 हो गया. So cross multiply. So y becomes equals to 1. This is your one answer. Now come to the second. 1 upon x equals to q. q का वैल्यू भी हमने 1 फाइंड आउट किया है. So 1 upon x equals to 1. Cross multiply. x equals to 1. So these are your two answers. X equals to 1 and y equals to 1. Right children? So this was your which part? Fifth part. So these are the 5 parts. Rest of the parts आई विल टेक इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास। आई होप चिल्ड्रन आपको आज का लेक्चर मेरा क्लियर हो गया होगा। ओके बाय।